And I'm back, you guys. Sorry about that. I'm still trying to find my way out of this. Did I find it? Nope. No, if my freaking show is gonna break, I'm gonna be screwed. Plus I don't have any wood on me, so... Shit. Oh, there we go. Down my way up. Good enough. And then... Shit. What the hell? 2, 3. God damn it. There we go. Okay, that's still there. Just 1 second. Let me fix that. There we go. And I'm out of that mine, and I've got a few pieces of coal and some cookies. I hit you in the ass, pig. Yeah, pork. Alright, now that it's daytime, I can go hunting for some sheep. Hell yeah. And let's just put this in here. Boots. Oh wow, I guess they switch them up. Alright, now I'll put this in here, these in here, these in here. The rest I guess I'm taking. Alright, now it's time to go find some sheep. Doo-doo-doo. Sheep shearing man to the rescue. Wait. Probably should have done this first. I'm gonna set a waypoint, so... Close. Done. There we go. Now if I do get lost, I can just find my way back. Do. Alright, no sheep. Keep it going. Did I put... I need some meat. Okay, now let's go try to find these sheep. Once again. I'm on a sheep hunt. Oop. Totally awesome. Come on. Sheep. Where are you? Sheep, I swear to God I won't kill you. And I'm serious. I just want to take you for... And whoa. I mean... Close enough. Down, down, down. You know, actually I could grab a few pieces of sand. I don't know about it. Make some windows. There we go, now I can make some windows. "15 windows should be enough, eh? Like, my house isn't that freaking big. Yeah. Did I just see sheep? Oh my god, it's a sheep paradise. So many sheep. I wish I had some wheat so I can like just bring them home. Sheep, sheep, sheep. How many? Okay, so I have 5 so far. That's more than enough. But I will not stop shearing. Get out. No, no, this will. I know I've missed some. Sorry. I need your wool. Your wool. I'll take your wool too. Your wool. So many sheep. Wow, he already got his sheep. His fay back. I'll take it again. So many. I must shield them all. Too bad I already built my house, so I would have built it like right here. Come on. Shear. Shear. I have 16 white wool and 12 grey wool. More sheep. Yes, so many sheep. How much wool do I? A lot of wool. Oh shit, I don't have my pickaxe. Alright, any more sheep? Yep, there's one right there. And one right there. Oop. And I hope that I need to find a few squids because I need some ink sacs for later. I need to dye a few things. Shit, it's getting nighttime. Okay, eat this pork chop. Shear these last 2 sheeps. Okay, there. That'll be sheep. Alright, now I better run back to my house like shit. After I kill these squid. The ink sacs. I need a few, please. If you would be so kind and die. Looks like I need to find out where I need to hit this thing. How do I kill you? Okay, I can't kill those, I guess. Shit, mobs are out. But I must kill the squids. Okay, how come I cannot kill these guys? Like... Oh yes, I got him. Another ink sac. Okay, sweet. That's enough. Shit, earth creepers. So many earth creepers. I like the better when it was just sheep and squid. Well, I didn't exactly like the squid, but I like the sheep. Run! Shit. Fire. Okay, that's kind of good. More squid. More ink. For something that you guys will probably think is kind of cool. About the mod. Well, certain mod. Get back here. Die. Eh. Oh shit, that's an explosive squid. Okay, is that all the squids? Okay. Now continue to run because I'm gonna die soon. Shit. And I have all this wool on me. All this awesome and sexy wool. Shit, skeleton. Shit, creeper. Run. Shit. I'll kill the skeleton. Now there are many sheep by my freaking place. Seriously? Yes, a black old sheep. That's good. Okay, how come I did not see these guys earlier? Seriously, am I blind or something? No, kind of. Okay, so one of these are a cookie. This one. Okay, I need to go make one of them explode, but just the one. Quickly explode. Eat the cookies. Run. Run quick, 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 quick. And I'm good. Yeah. Screw all you freaking creepers. Oh shit, I opened up the door. Finally. Okay, now I need some wood. And let's use this grey wool. Yep. Victory accomplished. Alright, I think that'll end it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.